Hi guys, this is an emergency generator on a drill ship. This is also a critical backup power source designed to provide electricity in the event of failure of the main power supplies. Here's the detailed breakdown. The purpose of emergency generator on a drill ship. 1. Power critical system during blackout. Emergency lighting, fire detection alarm system, navigation and communication equipment, steering gear, emergency power pumps like fire, bilge, etc., lifeboat davits, and launching system. Support safe operation and evacuation. Ensures essential safety equipment remains operational. Power escape routes, control system, and lifeboat launching. Key features. Automatically starts during power loss by automatic transfer switch. Independent fuel supply, usually diesel. Located in safe area, often above the main deck and separated from engine rooms. Meets SOLAS and class regulation. This is mandatory on all offshore vessels. Why is crucial on a drill ship? Drill ship operates in remote and deep sea environment where power failure can be catastrophic. The emergency generator ensures that even the main power fails, the crew can maintain control of the vessel. Safety system remain active. Evacuation can be carried out safely if needed. If you need a diagram or want to include how it connects to system like DP, just let me know. I can post it here. Thank you for listening, watching, and please subscribe and follow.